Hello, this is Charlotte from the South Burlington Library, showing you how to use one of our Kindle Paperwhites. These Kindles are available for a 3-week loan and come preloaded with the book you'd like to read. Follow along for basics on how to operate this Kindle. To turn on the Kindle, use the power button located at the bottom right of the Kindle. This opens to your home screen. To navigate, use the center button to scroll up and down and use the page advance or backward keys on the right and left side of the Kindle. To select a title, use the center button to open it. It will open on the last page you left it on. Use the side keys to advance or retreat through the pages. To return to the home page, use the backwards button at the far left of the control button. To choose settings or connect to Wi-Fi, use the settings button, second from the far right, and scroll through the pages to find the function desired. To turn off the Kindle, use the power button at the bottom of the Kindle. Don't worry that the screensaver stays on. This is the default setting and actually uses 0 battery. Remember, the directions to the Kindle are always included in the library checkout bag, complete with a helpful map to the buttons and the whole Kindle guide for reference. The power block and cord are also included in the bag for charge-ups when necessary. When returning the Kindle, please return as close to fully charged as possible so that the next patron can receive it as soon as possible.